There she is. Dentro. Want to get on the couch with Zoe? No? No quiero. No quiero, no quiero. What a nasty weather. What I'm very surprised about, what I was looking in the forest this morning, is I don't see any caterpillars. I just got a reminder on Facebook like 2 years ago. Adam and me were like here in the front square, like burning caterpillars. What is not very friendly solution in hindsight. So there was a moment that they almost came from the trees and they were like completely ready to go, or almost ready to go. And I don't spot any nests at this moment. So that strikes me as weird. Weird. What is also pretty weird, I wanted to call victory on the mouse problem. Well, I'm calling victory on the mouse problem. I don't say that they're gone. I'm just saying that I think we made the kitchen as unpleasant for them as possible. I haven't seen any of them. But in that regard, this thing was still standing inside and just like tucked away under the fridge. And now that I remove it, I see there's a mouse in there. A dead one. So yeah, poor guy or girl. But the weird thing is, like, I didn't hear anything like from the mouse being in there. He must have been in there for a couple of days at least before he died. Maybe he's in there now already for like a month. And also the girls, like before when the mouse was in there, they would constantly like jump up and down and trying to get out and at least make some noise. But none of us noticed the mouse being in there. So yeah, weird. That mouse. Everything is coming down in this weather. Left, right and center. Yesterday I was looking at the security cameras at one point. I think what happened to these two cameras? Yeah, cold, windy and wet. Well, not that cold actually. Mostly windy and wet. Windy and wet! On to Costello once again. So we got the homologação individual. And at the end of the conversation I say, Miss, you take my card from like the registration of the car from Holland. What do I do if the police stop me now? And she said, you're not allowed to drive the car. You tell me now. I'm with this car in Castello. Oh, no matter, they won't stop you. How do you know? How long is this gonna take? So it takes 2 weeks, hopefully, for this homologation to reach my house with the mail. Then we have to go to the customs office to pay. And then we have to get back here to get some paper to get the plates. So basically I'm not allowed to drive this car for what, like a month? I'm not even allowed to drive this car when I need to pay, like in a different city for the customs. What? I thought, what else did I order? But I know what it is. And I know you guys want to know also. Well, you guys need to know. They come in a plastic cover thing. How can I show this to you guys in a good light? Heads. Guys, this is probably going to be difficult to show you guys. This is the front. Ah. You recognize the logo, guys? One loose. Since this is the first edition, it's a real couple coins. Especially made for our new association. Isn't that cool, guys? So every single one of you who is going to become a member of the association is going to get one of these foundation coins, like the first edition. It's going to be a major collector's item, of course. Yeah, this is really cool, guys. It says like on the back, like Garidas, the loose members coin, and almost unreadable, but still first edition and established in 2026. Wow! In other news, we still have smells in the bathroom. You guys remember last time we tried to seal up the drain? But apparently that wasn't enough. I presume the smell is coming from the toilet. I don't think it's coming from here. So yeah, we're gonna try and put some more silicone there. It seems to be like yesterday I smelled it like really a lot. This was the first day it really rained also a lot. Now I don't smell it that much. But it seems to be somehow related to a lot of water coming down. I'm not sure. Still not one of my strong points. Yeah, I was already afraid of this. Again, I put on way too much. And then it starts smudging everywhere, you know? It's not easy to take off if you really put on too much. There's smudges on the floor and stuff. I mean, it is working, but look, I end up with all these clumps. Look, you get all these smudges here. And not a nice straight line. Here's better. Let's see if that is going to solve our odor issues. Look at that weather, guys. Zoe.